What is up, you guys? Thank you for tuning in to today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, liking, and hitting that bell notification so every time I drop a dope ass video, you guys are alerted, all right? So today's video is gonna be on the 392 front license plate removal bracket. Now, we did mention to the dealer, hey, don't put it on because it destroys the look of the car. We'll take the hit if we get in trouble for it, take the fine, whatever, or just put it on and explain to the cop if it got to that point. But we did mention this at the beginning of the buying process. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt and they forgot. So we're gonna show you how to fix it and what we're gonna do. So this is where your plate sits. This little slot, it slides underneath. They had 2 screws to mount the plate to the bracket itself. Right there, you can see 1 and 2. And then they had 4 mounting it to the actual plastic trim of the bumper right here, the fascia, this plastic piece. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's protruding. What I'm gonna do is take a drill it a little slightly bigger, and I'm gonna use some of these push pins to cover it up that are black. Now, eventually what we're gonna do is take this off, maybe fill the holes, and then go ahead and paint match it. But for right now, this is a temporary fix. We're gonna smooth these down and put in the 4 plugs. And I'm gonna show you which ones we're gonna use. So we have these 2 right here. We have this one right here with a flat, smooth surface. And we also have this one right here, a push style locking mechanism that we took off the bumper guard off the bottom, you know, that yellow trim. So I'm gonna see which one works better. But I've seen people use these ones right here and the one at the top. We'll go ahead and take a look. Cause it's a lot bigger. I might go to the auto parts store and see what's up. Found these ones from Advanced Auto Parts. They fit perfectly in there. As far as these right there, let me focus. So this is just a temporary fix until we can go ahead and then I'm gonna fill the holes and then paint match in the future. But I don't need a drill or anything. They fit perfectly, which is kind of cool. So I got 2 different sizes and I went with the smaller ones. Here is the part number. And this is from Advanced Auto Parts. No, my bad, from AutoZone. AutoZone, stand corrected. Go ahead and push it in. Right there. Nice and perfect. There we go. Temporary fix.